Uh, Good morning, student. These are the next topic, data types in C. It is very important. It is very important in C programming. Without data types, you cannot declare the variable and data types, which is helpful for what type of data you have to declare in programming. Okay, each variable in C has an associated data type. Each data type requires different amount of memory and has some specific operation which can be performed over it. Let us briefly describe them one by one. Following are the example of some very common data types used in C. First one is the char. The most basic data type in C. It stores a single character and requires a single byte of memory in almost all compiler. The char is the character data type which includes the single byte of memory, means it stores the single characters in all of compiler. Int, it is the integer data type. As the name suggests, int variable is used to store an integer value, means it contains the 0 point value also and negative value also. It is used to store float is the floating point value. It is used to store decimal number with floating point value with single precision, means 0.1 consist. 0.1 is consideration. Double is used to store decimal number where number of floating point value with double precisions. Different data types also have a different ranges up to which they can store the number. These ranges may vary from compiler to compiler. Below is the list of ranges along with the memory requirement and format specifier on 32-bit GCC compiler. These are the data type which is used with the format specifier on 32-bit GCC compiler. फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर मतलब क्या होता है कि फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर ये अगर आप डेटा टाइप अगर यूज़ कर रहे हो तो उस डेटा टाइप को एक्सेस करने के लिए, उस डेटा टाइप की वैल्यू एक्सेस करने के लिए आपको फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Without format specifier you cannot use the data type values. Okay, the first one is the short int. These are the format these are the short int which is the memory bytes, 2 bytes, and ranges from 32768 to 32767, and the format specifier is the %HD. An unsigned short int is the 2 byte 0 to 65,535, and format specifier is the %HU. Then third one is the unsigned int. These are the 4 byte memory which is ranges from 0 to 429 295, and the format specifier is the %U. These are the data types: short int, unsigned int, unsigned short int. These are the data types which is commonly used in programming language. Okay, the example of above data types as shown in below. The next data type is the int. These are the ranges from these are the 4 byte memory and ranges from -2 147 483 6482 2147 483 647, and the format specifier is the %D. Then if your range is going from out of the range of integer, then it use the long int which is supported 8 memory bytes and starting and ranges from -2 147 483 6482 2147 483 647, and the format specifier is the %LD. Then next is the unsigned long int. This memory byte is also 8 byte, and the ranges from, these are the range, means your alphabet alphabet storing size, which is including in ranges, that is 0 to 4294 967 295, and the format specifier is the %lu. Long int, these are the minus in bracket 2 caret 63 to 2 caret 63 minus 1. These are the long int, which is 8 byte memory, and the format specifier is 1 minute. Then unsigned int, 1 minute.